Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you, brother?
Alhamdulillah, brother, I'm fine. And you?
Yeah, by the grace of Allah, I'm keeping you well. So, brother, actually, today I have selected some question for you. Inshallah, I think you will give me answer correctly. Today, what's your opinion about madrasa student and school students? Please tell me.
Okay, brother. It's really nice question to me. So first of all, I would like to compare madrasa student, also school student. So first of all, we have to know what's the difference.
Yeah,
Madrasa student, also school student. In my opinion, madrasa student, also school student doesn't matter. But it's a matter to me. First of all, if we notice, so I'm Muslim, also you are Muslim. First of all, if we notice, if we follow our Holy Quran, Allah has told in Quran, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, Iqra Bismi Rabbikal Ladhi Khalaq. Allah has told in Quran, read for the name of your Creator who has created you. So, if I study at madrasa, I will be capable to know about my Creator who has created my Creator in Holy Quran, and I will be enabled to know about my Creator also other things. So Allah is told in Quran, for going to Jannah, you have to perform prayer. You have to collect lots of virtue, and you have to collect my rahmat. So I think that, brother, if I study at madrasa, I will be able to know about how to perform prayer properly, about different type of masala masail. It's really great for going to heaven. And on the other hand, if I notice to our college, school, etc., and if you study here, just you will be enabled to know about general knowledge. But you can know some knowledge about Islam, but you can't be able to know about Islam properly. But I will not tell my college or school student they're bad. I will not tell. In my opinion, they're good. But if you study at madrasa, it will be better for you. You will get lots of benefit in your life, and you will get lots of benefit after dying, after going to bury.
yeah,
And if I study just college and school, just I will get some benefit in my life. Recently, if I wanna get a job, I can get a job. I can do the job in any institute, etc. That's it.